For the last 6 months, WWL investigator David Hammer's been telling us about a man accused of stealing people's houses right out from under them. Today, after dodging court hearings and avoiding an arrest warrant for some time, Jonathan Burden finally showed up in court. David was there. He's joining us in the studio with more. David, what happened?
Yeah, Katie, I've been trying to reach out to Jonathan Burden since May. He hasn't responded, and last week his attorney told a federal judge that Burden only learned about a federal case against him from my reporting. Today, I finally got to ask Burden in person why at least 7 property owners allege he tried to take their houses for next to nothing.
Jonathan Burden finally showed up for a court hearing in a case where the judge has already ruled he stole a dead woman's house.
Mr. Burden, what did you do to help these folks in exchange for their houses and their properties?
We wanted to know what he did for a widow facing foreclosure when he held up her sale of this $1.1 million mansion, made her pay him $85,000 to walk away, and bragged about it on social media. Or what he did for Derek Breston when Burden used this forged deed with Breston's dead mother's signature on it to get Breston's property, then turned around the same day and sold it for a $100,000 profit.
Authorities can't touch him, and that's why he's keep going on and on. The authority has to step in and do something about this gentleman because he's just cocky and he's going to keep on.
He finally showed up in federal court because he heard our report that the judge had issued a warrant for his arrest. His new lawyer said Burden is getting threatened and can't make money because of our reporting and can't afford a $15,000 fine.
Advertising on the internet that he's the king of getting stuff, and look at the video how he got delayed out $85,000. So he should have plenty of money. So they need to do something with him. Just get him and hold on to him.
The U.S. Marshals said Burden was a fugitive on the run before he showed up today. But now that he did show up, bankruptcy judge Meredith Graybill withdrew the arrest warrant against him. She also lowered the fines against Burden from $26,000 to $15,000. But she said he must pay that money to the court by December 21st before he gets to argue that he didn't know about this court case. Charisse?